This is a vintage Echo CS-452VL. Survivor Echo 452VL. Carburetor will need to be cleaned. It does have a new fuel line. It does bog. The carburetor will definitely need to be cleaned or rebuilt. A very nice 452VL. It does have a new fuel line. The carburetor will need to be cleaned and or rebuilt. The chain will need to be replaced. It is at the end of its service life. A very nice vintage chainsaw, great for your personal collection, the camp, or the backyard. Be sure to click on the link below for pictures and details and how to buy this fine vintage saw right now at an extremely affordable price. Vintage King Motorsports, where quality and price always matters most.